In this video, I'm gonna be testing the restorer from Total Wax, Heal and Seal, and see if it actually works on your headlights. Okay guys, here we have the driver's side headlight and the passenger side headlight. As you guys can see, they are very foggy, very dirty. But before I start working with them, I'm gonna wash the car because I had a rain a couple of days ago and it's a little dirty. Plus the recommendations in the description of the products request to have a clean surface. What I'm doing right now is spraying a waterless wash so it can help me to leave all the dirt and dust that is on the car to take it off easier. I don't really recommend guys to come and wash your car at the coin station, but if you live in an apartment or if you have any water restriction, this is the best way to do it. Even though I'm not a fan of coming to these places and use the brush because it might damage your car and scratch it, it's a good way to keep it clean. Once I'm done washing the car and drying it, I decide to come back home and work on the headlights. What I'm gonna be using is a 3-inch backing plate attachment to the drill and a 3-inch finishing pad to polishing the headlights. You will also need a microfiber towel to remove off the excess of the product. If you decide to do it the way I'm doing it with the drill, I will recommend you to use gloves and some eye protection because the product will spill everywhere once you start rotating your drill. Also try to use it in a low setting so it won't make a mess. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna spread it around in the area that you are gonna work. Also try to tape your headlights so you don't damage your paint. Okay, this is how the headlight looks after the first pass. I'm gonna do a second pass with a faster speed and we'll see how it looks after both of the passes. I'm done with the second pass. Now this is the result. I'm gonna show you the other headlight, how it looks. As you guys can see, there is a very big difference on how each headlight looks. I will actually recommend you guys to don't work on direct sun because the product is gonna dry super fast and to remove it is gonna be super hard. So try to work in the shade or in a cold day. Okay, while I was working in the second one, as you guys can see, I started spilling some of the product on the hood, and because it's super hot today, it was hard to remove it. I had to use the waterless wash to clean up the car again. Okay guys, I'm done cleaning the headlights and restoring them. As you guys can see, there is a big difference on how they were and how they look now. I will give it a A plus.